During equipment installation, pay attention to the lifting position to prevent tipping. Position and level the equipment, then tighten the anchor bolts. Connect the power supply. The 220 volts power required for the electrical control box should be independently connected. It is prohibited to connect from the 380 volts motor wiring. Connect the air source before starting the motor. After starting the machine, adjust the output by increasing or decreasing the voltage U on the intelligent digital controller. Control the husking rate within the range of 85–90 by adjusting the pressure reducing valve. The equipment operates in two modes: manual and automatic. In automatic mode, adjust the sensitivity by rotating the screw at the end of the sensor. The rubber rollers need to be swapped every 8–16 hours. After replacing new rubber rollers or swapping the rubber rollers, rotate the star handle. Adjust the lower end of the stainless steel long chute to align with the tangent direction of the two rubber rollers. First, adjust the air volume. Second, adjust the angle of the fish scale chute inside the separation box. Third, adjust the vertical position of the rear air adjustment plate. Open the acrylic door and the front small door. Loosen the tensioning screw rod counterclockwise. Then, use a 1-meter long iron bar to lift the tensioner wheel connecting rod, and the drive belt can be removed. Loosen the 3 connecting bolts, then use 3 long bolts to remove the drive wheel. First, unscrew the set screw by 10 mm and remove the connecting rod. Remove the star handles and T-bolt. Open the base door to remove or install the rubber rollers. Close the door gently to avoid damaging the bearings. Removal of rubber rollers for 25C Paddy Husker. Removal of rubber rollers for 36 and 51 Paddy Huskers.